So there was a mishap in the shop today. I dropped this into a bucket of oil. Now I've already sprayed it down with brake cleaner, and let's see if it's gonna work. Oh, no. Oh, why not? Why not? You just worked. But the battery was out. The battery was out, and you're still on fire? Well, that can't be good. Well, it definitely smells like an electrical fire, so let's just take that out for now and just kind of avoid that. So, let's take it apart, see what happened. Now, we are going to be using Snap-on tools to take this Snap-on tool apart. Because why wouldn't you? So what you're going to do is you're going to just take out all the screws you can see. All the holes, plus the 4 up front. And once you have all of the screws out, then the gun will just simply fall apart. I can feel the heat radiating from here. Last one? Yeah, last one. All right, so now that all the screws are out, you can just simply split it in half. Now, I already took this apart once, so that was broken. Ooh, ah! All right, so I think a bunch of smoke came out of here. Yeah, look at that. Can the camera pick it up? The discoloration right there. All right. So next up, we're going to take this back panel off. There we go. It's not that hot. Not hot at all. It's all this. We can go over how this thing works in a second. I know you guys just probably want to see all the carnage. Now, it's a Phillips, but I don't have a Phillips small enough for that. So we're going to use this flathead. And we're just going to go ahead and use the flathead to take the Phillips out. Because you know what? I don't have a Phillips screwdriver that small on me right now. There we go. Tiny little nut. That's what she said. There we go. Nut and bolt. Let's pop that trigger out. Split this in half. All right, now that we have the case split in half, it should be. There we go. Don't see anything there. And I don't see anything there other than that wire that is clearly been put the wrong way. Yep. So I can still feel all the radiant heat coming off of this, so we're just gonna avoid touching that. But it doesn't look like the board is burnt at all. What I'm thinking though is that something on the backside is burnt. Something like a capacitor or something on the backside has exploded. So that's pretty much junk. So let's check this out. Let's check out how this impact part actually works. So you got this here, clicky clicky, okay. And then that's gonna go up. So you have a spring, right? Gears. What if we just put our thumb there and twist? Oh, there we go. I don't know if you can pick this up on the camera, but watch the distance. There we go. So what happens is, as this is stopped, the torque from the gun will turn this and in turn close that spring. And then it's the force of that spring once it overcomes up here. Once the travel of this piston has gotten high enough that this can clear it, then it'll release and drop in. and there you go, whack, whack, whack. And that's really cool. I've never actually taken one of these apart before, and I'm glad that we're doing it to a Snap-on gun and not a Harbor Freight gun because, you know, everybody's done a Harbor Freight gun. Nobody's taken apart the almost $450 Snap-on gun. And here you go. Now, I'm going to have to go and talk to my local Snap-on rep about warranty because clearly I need it.